the Polish Sox in the final of the Premier Grade. Out of the tunnel, walking is the Polish Sox take the lead into the field of play. Polish Sox team. I want to announce the Polish Sox team that will represent Polish in this grand final. Number 1, Felipe Sauturanga, that will running in the fullback position. With the wing is Asael Limbose, centers Arthur Snow and Louis the Cow. Number 5, Rushi Nairumbe. Number 6, Metui Bolabola. Number 7, Epeli Soro. Number 8, Sateki Umu. Number 9, Joshua Rocco, the former Sambeto Roosters player. Number 10, Apenisa Thanasau, the captain. Number 11, Michael Peters. Number 12, Apenisa Vela. And number 13 is Tomasi Nakoli Levu. And the reserves for the Polish Sox team is Epeli Puniwanga, Atu Turangiviu, Tikika Ulibiti, and Lazaro Turangandrau. For the Rabo Rabbitohs lineup, the number 1 and fullback is Ananayasa Modidama. The wing is Isaac Newsama. The 2 centers is Atuata Sovalu and Etonia Moitonga. The number 5, the other wing is Penny Sokuru. Number 6, one of the halves is 7am Salala, and the number 7 is Timothy Namotokula. Number 8 is Chone Taiwote, and number 9 is Eddie Tomuse. Number 10, Semi Wainingolo. Number 11, Alendo Sovuki. Number 12, Waisiki Ramatau. Number 13 is Sosateki Sobau. And the subs or the reserves for the Rabo Rabbitohs is Waisiki Ramatau. There are 2 Waisiki Ramatau. Yes, Waisiki Ramatau number 1 and number 2. And Samisi Tora, Sones Sariri, and Charles Sautumo. That is the team list. The run-on team and the reserves from the Rabo Rabbitohs and the Polish Sox that will go face to face in this big game for this 2018 Vodafone Cup Grand Final. Just mention some of the names that already represented Fiji in the previous years in the Fiji Body and the Fiji Residents team. So we'll go first to the Rabo Rabbitohs team. Some well-known name in this Rabo Rabbitohs team is Semi Wainingolo, Sosateki Sobau, the number 13, Semi Wainingolo, the number 10, Semi Sitora, who played for Fiji in the 2013 World Cup, Sones Sariri, the test match rep and the Fiji resident captain. That is the players from Rabo that already done the Fiji jumper, Fiji body jumper, the 13-man side jumper. Sosateki Sobau, Semisitora, Sones Sariri, and Semi Wainingolo. To the other team, the Polish Sox team. Mention some of the players that already play for Fiji, that represented Fiji in the past years. We'll announce it back to you, and Grand final, and will assist by the two gentlemen from Ra, Penaya and Vetaya, and the in-goal Tajaz will be Etika. For the police Sharks team, there are some well-known names that are playing for the Fiji Buddy, and I can see one of the players that play for the Sukuna Bowl in representing police in the Sukuna Bowl. That is Atu Turangavi, who also represent Fiji in the test match for the Fiji Buddy and Fiji resident, and that is Atu Turangavi and Lasaro Turangan Rau and Apeli Soro Sateki Umu and yes, welcome to the final of the senior grade kickoff from Timothy Motokula down deep into the Police Sharks. A good run by Sateki Umu, but a good defense by the 3-4 players from Rabo Rabbitohs. Umu. Big run by Apeniso Van South, the captain, but a good tackle by the Rabo players. And I can say this will be physical, a strong physical game. Taking the ball right across the field there is the former Sambeto player, Tomasi Nakolilebu. Cut back inside is Sateki Umu. 10 meters away from the halfway, but they still going, change of direction to the side of the field, far side of the field. But a good defense from the Rabo Rabbitohs right down to the 10-meter line, and the last ball, Rocco pass it right to the winger, and there goes, and Rocco, yes! Just a minute in the grand final. The change of direction, change of play by the Police Sharks from the grandstand side of the field, and they take the ball across to the far side of the field, where Sateki will come inside, and it's support play outside. Right outside is Rocco. This is the danger man for the Police Sharks team, the former Sambeto, who scored a winning try for Sambeto in the last year's grand final against Rabo Rabbitohs. Rocco, and this same young man, this same dummy half who did a lot of damage from last week, 7 minutes away from the semi-final against the Saru Dragons, where Rocco scored 2 brilliant tries from last week. He did it again just on the starting of this game, wide of the cross to the far side of the field. with their big winger, the number 5 Rusi Nairobi, taking the ball onto the sideline and passing inside to Rocco, who beat the last line of defense and stretch his hand to the try line, to the white line, and the referee says, Chana Waisala, the refs says it's a try, and we'll wait for the conversion by the kicker. Coming up, another good kick is left kick from the same winger who created an overlap to the far side of the field, and it was Rusi Nairumbe. A miss conversion by Narumbe. Walking up slowly into the halfway is the Rubber Rabbitohs. I will say it and I will say it again. Rocco, the young dummy half, the danger man for the Polish Sharks. Catch by this. No, it's a center. Louis the Cow. Driving straight into the bigger wall of defense from the Rubber Rabbitohs. But a bound and going to the ground here is the police number 10, police number 11, Michael Peters, and go back, change of direction, going back is the number 13, Tomasi Napoli level, and a last kick and a good run by the good gain from the captain of the Police Sharks, Apinisa, but a kick by the Police Sharks. The last kick by the Police Sharks was well managed by the Rubber Rabbitohs, and Tonga the centers run the ball for the Rubber Rabbitohs out of the 20 meter line, and going there is Sonny. And another run, carried forward by the dummy half, Eddie and Fidi to the number 12, Waisiki Ramatau. Right into the attend and pass it back to Timothy Namotokula. Timothy kick, long kick by Timothy, and it goes out. And the flag raised by the Tazaz, and he said that he put his foot into the white mark on the sideline, and another opportunity to the Rubber Rabbitohs, a 10 meter away from the Polish Sharks try line, just 3 meters inside the in-goal area. Go forward there is Chosa Tekisabau, the big and former Fiji Bati Sobau, the experienced player, and the try given by referee with the help of Tika Tukana, the in-goal touch judge, and a try given to the Rubber Rabbitohs. Rubber Rabbitohs have been given a try. We're just 5 minutes into the first half. Both teams has crossed their line, and first try was scored by the Polish Sharks, and second in 3 minutes. 3 minutes in after the tries, and coming up is the Rubber Rabbitohs onto the taking deep down into the Polish Sharks by the big kick from Timothy Namotokula, and the scored try there is the big number 13, the experienced player, former Fiji Bati and he played a contract in the New South Wales country for a few years. Is Sosateki Sobau. Still wait for the conversion to be kicked by Timothy Namotokula. Yes, easy kick from easy conversion from Timothy. Just side of the left side of the post, and he raises the flag, taking Rubber Rabbitohs to the lead by 6 points to 4.
And the solid momentum. Whoever wins this game gets a goal, or whoever runs up and a goal in a silver.
Ready for a kickoff in the halfway field is Metui Bola. Oh, he kicks straight to the Rubber players, but a knock forward. Knocked forward by Rubber inside the 22 meters and 20 meters of the Rubber. And the ball was knocked forward by the number 6 of Rubber. It was seven Balala. Clever kick by Metui Bola. Experience will make a difference in this grand final. Good wraparound pass from Metui Bola to Soro, Pelisoro, but still going there is their big number 4. Coming on top of him is the number 3 for Rubber and number 4. Number 3 for Police. Police number 3 carry the ball forwards by Tuetas. Sivalu, change of direction into the grandstand side of the field. The big number 4 for Police is Etonia Moitonga. Is Louis the Cow. A good run carries from their skipper, Police skipper Apinisa Danasau. They still take the ball to the first side of the field. A good bump by the player, but it was a forward pass. A forward pass call from Chone Wesley. The assist by the touch judge. So that will relieve the pressure from the Rubber Rabbitohs team. Seven Balala to feed in for Rubber up to Timothy Namotokula to the winger. It was another penalty is given to the Rubber Rabbitohs. It was not 10 from the Police Sharks, and given a penalty and a good kick by Timothy Namotokula right to the halfway field, and a quick tap, run the ball straight into the bigger Police Sharks players is Rubber centers, and it was Etuate Savivalu, and he knocks the ball forward. And the referee said, no, you knock the ball forward and a scrum feed to the Police Sharks. A scrum feed to the Police Sharks. A good run, but right into the Police Sharks territory in the 10-meter line. Police 10-meter line, feeding in the scrum by the Police Sharks. Can see Metui Bola, the former Fiji Racedian and former Police Sharks players that went to the first World Cup back in 2018. I think it's a loss Loss of concentration from these big centers from Rabo. Etuateng Wibalu, who lost the ball into the police territory 10-meter line and at scrum feed near the midway, and Sorrow to that number 3. Into their number 3, it was number 3 for Police Sharks. It was Other Snow. Down there is Sateki Umo, a former resident player, going into the Rabo midfield into the 10-meter, and a break through there is the fullback, and the fullback still going there. The Police Sharks fullback, Felipe Sauturanga, and a penalty given to Police Sharks, ripping of the ball from the number 6 and number 1 for Rabo and number 6. It was Ananayasa Modidama and Savanaya Salala and Ananayasa Modidama, and he kicked down into the corner, into the side of the field, into the side of the grandstand side of into the side of the field. There is Metui, and taking the ball forward is number 11 Sateki Umu. Metui to then number 18 Tomasina Kolilebu, but a good drive tackle there from the Rabo Rabbitohs, and another penalty. Loss of concentration from the Rabo players, and the call from the referee Chona Wesley, penalty given to the Police Sharks in front of the goalpost of the Rabo Rabbitohs. And there's a Rabo Rabbitohs players lying on the ground. Attention of the medics on him. Attending on him is the medics, and penalty given just 10 meters away from the goalpost, from the right side of the goalpost of the Rabo Rabbitohs, and they will kick for goal. A kick for goal from Police Sharks. None other, it will be Metui. Penalty given, ready to kick for this. It's not Metui, it's their winger, the number 5 for Police Sharks. It was Rusi Narumbe who missed the conversion of the try, for that earlier try, and this penalty, this is an easy penalty for him. Narumbe lift the flag and bring Rabo, bring Police to 6-all. 6 points to Police and 6 to Rabo. Body language of these two teams, I can say that they were well prepared, and they were gunning up for this grand final. And from my point of view, the team that will maintain discipline and kept the set of 6 play, this is the team that will take out the final this afternoon. Kick. It's a knock from Sateki Umu. Sateki Umu knocked the ball forward, and he kicks the ball into the territory midfield, and now say referee Chana Wasale, Umu, you knocked the ball forward, and it's a scrum call by Chana Wasale, the former Fiji body player, scrum feeder to the Rabo side. Can see the number 7 for Rabo organizing his backs. Timothy Namotokula Yes, Timothy Namotakula going across, and yes, a good run from Timothy Namotakula, and he passed the ball to the wing number 2, and we'll wait for referee's call. When Timothy passed the ball was going to the back of the winger, and he gathered the ball and scored a try. And the try given, yes, it's a try given to the rubber Rabbitohs. A try given to the rubber Rabbitohs. That's what I said. When Timothy Namotakula organized the rubber backs a fake pass, a decoy run, and a fake pass by Timothy Namotakula. He find the gap and he go through the gap and he offload to the winger. Timothy Namotakula to his winger, Penny Saukuru, who recovered the ball and dive into the try line and take the rubber up to that 10 points. Conversion still yet to come. Conversion still yet to come from the rubber Rabbitohs number 7 Timothy Namotakula, who did a great job by setting up his backs and did the move with a fake pass and a decoy run from his players and find a hole and punch through the hole and give an open pass to the winger that go to his back, and he regathered it again and dive into the wide line in the try line in the corner flag of the grandstand side. Waiting for the conversion by Timothy Namotakula. Step back, walking forward, and he lift the ball, kick the ball. Yes, a conversion by Namotakula. This is the young man that been mentioned by the Fiji body coach, Maxon. Should travel to Australia to play for Fiji, to Fiji body in the test match tonight. He says it all tonight, this afternoon. The way he organized and the way he kicks the conversion. It was 12 to 6, 12 to Rubber Rabbitohs 6 to Police Sharks. A carry forward here from the Rubber Rabbitohs second row, Aliposo, Buki, and Moitonga. Right down to the 10, going past the 10 middle line. Moitonga, light to the ground, and good defense from Police, Eddie Tomuse. Right down to Timothy. Kick deep down into the Police Sharks territory. A good together by Police fullback Felipe Saukuru, who made an early break for the Police Sharks, but this time a good defense, cover defense from the Rubber Rabbitohs was very good, but a breakthrough by the Police Sharks over the halfway and over the 10 middle line of the Rubber territory and going wide across the far side of the field. Is the number 4 Louis the Cow, change of direction, and this is the man Rocco, and be mobbed by the big Sateki Sobau and Ramatau into the midfield, and a cheap kick over the Rubber, bounce off the edge and still going in the fullback, and a pass. Yes, an offload pass to Metui by fullback. Sauturanga to Metui, bola. It's a brilliant piece of play from the Police Sharks. A wonderful move by the Police Sharks that dictate the line defense of the Police Sharks, started by this nippy dummy half Rocco onto the first side of the field. and they not the change of direction in midfield. And a decoy run and a decoy pass, a counter pass. The find the goal there is the fullback with Metui. Bola who chipped the ball ahead of the Rubber Rabbitohs defender. And it's anybody's ball with a kind bounce. Regathered by the fullback, Felipe Sauturanga. And a offload pass inside with a good and well-managed support play from Metui Bola. And diving into the wider line onto the grandstand side. On the corner flag is Metui Bola. And waiting for the conversion from the Polish Sharks number 5. That is Rusi Nairumbe. The kicker for the Polish team this afternoon is the winger, big winger, Rusi Nairumbe. 10 to Polish conversion, still yet to come. A good kick, but he pulls away to the right side of the post. And the conversion is missed by the big number 5, Rusi Nairumbe. And score still the same with Rubber on the leader by 12 points to 10. A 12 points to 10 points leading by Rubber in the grand final of the Premier Grade of the Vodafone Cup 2018 at Lawanga Park, Singatoka. Ready to kick for the restart by Timothy Namotakula into the halfway. Into his left side, right down into the goal line, and running up there is the number 13 for Polish Sharks. None other from Sambeto Roosters player, Tomasi Nakolilebu. Helping him out is the number 4, Louis the Cow. Good defense there from Rabo. Sateki Umu to the skipper, Vanasau. Down into the 10 middle line, to Rocco. To the number 13, Tomasi Nakolilebu. Oh, a big heavy tackle on Tomasi Nakolilebu. Back to the 10 middle line by Semi and Chone Sariri. And regathered there, but they knock on by the Polish Sharks, and a scrum feed by the Rubber Rabbitohs from the ref call of Chone Wesele into the Rubber territory. Very 2 meters away from the 10 meter line in their territory, own territory. Feeding by Rubber into the far side of the field, back inside to their winger, Rubber winger. There is Penny Sokuru, and a good run by Moitonga. Good run by Moitonga past the halfway line, and going into the Polish 10 meter line is the experienced player of Chosateki Sobau, and a dummy pass and goes right there is Eddie Tomuse. A good run by Eddie Tomuse. Tackle him is the number 11 for Polish Sharks, and that is Michael Peters, and going straight there is Semi. Rubber Rabbitohs Semi winning goal, going deep down into the into the Polish, and a big drop goal there from Timothy Namotakula, but a miss drop by Timothy Namotakula, and coming up with the ball is, and the referee says no, go back to the 20 meter. Rocco holding the ball in his hand. and then they pass it inside. But yes, play on, say the referee. Helping out is the number 2, Isaac, and helping us is number 2, Asaya Limbose for Police Sharks. Metui, a bad pass from Metui, but Rocco regathered the ball and he tried to come out, break the tackle of but he cannot run away from this big Semi. Can run away from Semi of Rabo Rabbitohs, Semi Weningolo. They cannot find a territory, they cannot gain from their in-goal area, from their own territory for the Police Sharks team. Epelisaro from base of scrum, Rocco kicking deep down into the Rabo territory, but regathered by fullback Ananias Modidama, taking the ball, take 1 tackle, 2 tackle from the Police, duck underneath the Police defense, and coming helping him out is Sakuru, the winger. And there goes New Summer, a good defense from Police. On to New Summer. Etuateng Suibalu. Etueta Muibalu. Eddie, a pass back that. No, it's not a foul play. It's a play on, says the referee. It looked like a shoulder charge. It looked like a shoulder charge from the Police Sharks onto Timo Motukula, but the referee say no play on. And Dagusau, the captain, he runs away from Chone Sariri. But a good cover defense from Semi Weningolo onto him and Sateki Saumu. Oh, what a hard tackle by Moitonga and Sateki Sobau onto Sateki Umu and Metui to the big centers. Others know a last kick, a last tackle from for the Police side team, and Rocco leave the last ball into the contesting by Rabo, and they knock the ball forward. It was a knock-on from the Police Sharks in that last kick from Metui, and a contest by the winger and centers. They knocked the ball forward and given a scrum to the Rabo Rabbitohs, and that will give some relief to this Rabo Rabbitohs team. And there's a player with a headband lying onto the near the try line of the Rabo Rabbitohs, the Rabo Rabbitohs player. Epeli Buniwanga, the number 14, receives for the Police Sharks. Marching in field. And Atutu Rangabiu is on the field too. Sateki Umu and Danasau, the captain, is off the field. Leaving the field is Sateki Umu. Follow his skipper, the captain Danasau, on to take a break, and feeding on the scrum, and fresh into the field of play is Atunaisa Turangabiu and Epeli Buniwanga. Good carry from Sateki Sobau. A quick play from Sateki Sobau, still gaining back to the 10-meter line is the Rabo Rabbitohs, and a good tackle from Atunaisa Turangabiu. onto it was Charles Satumo. Charles Satumo knocked the ball back, but a good run there is Sonny Sariri. Taking 3 police player and a quick play. This is what I said. The experience will make the difference in this grand final where Sariri, the big man, go forward and try to heal the ball quick and being dragged down by police defender and Chona whistle, the referee was there on the spot and blew the whistle, giving a penalty, gave the penalty to this Rubber Rabbitohs team. And Eddie Tumuse off the field with Waisiki Ramatau on field. Carry the ball forward is the Rubber centers of Etuate Usivalu. Ready to deliver is Waisiki Ramatau to Chone Sariri. A good run by Sariri, gaining meter. 3 meters from Sariri back to Ramatau. To the number 6, Sevanaya. A switch of play from Sevanaya to Sobau, and Sobau knocked the ball forward, and Rigada is number 1. Right to the halfway of the ground into their territory, given a penalty is Police Sharks. Storming on the not storming, hands on the face of the police fullback by the reserve player that are just in the field of the field of play for Rubber Rabbitohs. Atunay sa Turangabiu runs the ball for the Police Sharks inside the Rubber territory, and gaining the ball there is a Rubber fullback. Regather the ball there is a Rubber fullback, and a good tackle by Rocco. Taking the ball in field there into the 20 middle line is the winger for Rubber Pennis, not Pennis Okuru, it was Isake Newsama. Another tackle there onto another foul play done by Metui Bolabola of Police Sharks. Both teams has committed a lot of mistakes and given a penalty by them through by Rafa Chona Wesley, and Timothy Namotokula kicked down into the halfway in front of the grandstand side, in front of the grandstand, and taking the back inside of the field of play is Musivalu up into the Police Sharks territory. Chone Sariri, a good delivered by Ramatau, a quick play by Sariri to the number 6, 7 a.m. Balala. A substitute play from a player from Sambeto Roosters, number 15. It was Semisi Tora who take the ball forward, and a switch of play pass from the Rubber but intercept by Police, but he fumbled the ball again. A fumble by the Police, number 11. Michaeli Peters. If Michaeli Peters gathered that ball nicely, there's no cover defense from the Rubber Rabbitohs. I think he will take the ball and run the ball down to the Police, to the Rubber Rabbitohs territory, and feed into the Police Sharks stand, the middle line, and Timothy Motokula to Sateki Sobau to Moitonga, back to Timothy Motokula to Sobau, back in field to Semi, and a good tackle onto Semi by number 13 from the Police side is Tomasi Nakoli Lebu. Now it was not Thomas Nokulilebu. It was Epeli Bunuanga, and a good run there by Sateki Sobau. Good angle run. Oh! It's a late charge. I think the referee didn't see that late charge. It was from Rocco. A late charge from Rocco to Timothy Motakula. But last kick put the ball into the area is the nice catch from the fullback and carry the ball forward is the number six for Police Sharks is met as number 6. Yes, regather the ball again there, knock forward from the Police Sharks and regather from Isaac Nusama, the Rubber Rabbitohs winger, who regathered that loose ball from the Police Sharks team inside the police territory. The Rubber Rabbitohs players on the ground. Charlie Satumo, the substitute player for Rubber Rabbitohs, take a break from the Waterboy. That shows how hard this game goes, and limping off is Etuateng Sivalu. Etuateng Wivalu, Rubber Rabbitohs a bit limping to the side of the grandstand side. To the side of the grandstand, and plays on again, called by referee. Ramatau delivered from the base of the rock to Chosovau. A fake run from Samo, and Johnny Sariri rapid around and change of direction by Moitonga back in field into the Police Sharks territory, and Ramatau going to the side, to the far side of the field, and Semi carry the ball forward for Rabo Semi Wainingolo into the Rabo 20 meter, and Sateki Sobau carry the ball forward. He takes 3 and 4 players from the Police Sharks to bring him down, and Ramatau to the grandstand side, and wrap around is the number 6 and number 2, the winger Isaac Nusama. Settle the ball in midfield, and the sub player of number 17 there, Charles Satumo, take the ball forward and into the Police 10 meter away from the Police try line, and the last ball Ramatau to Timodino Motakula, and a kick by Timodino Motakula, well catch by the winger, the big winger of Police Sharks is Rusi Nairumbe, and it feed back there to Rocco into their own territory, far side of the field, and taking the ball back is Metui, it was Epeli Soro, Epeli Bunuanga, carry back by these 4 big Rabo players, and they still come into the side of the field. A good tackle there. And the play on, the referee say play on. And shot by the Rabo player that makes the Police Sharks lose the ball. And regather there is is Rubber Rabbitohs player. When the referee say play on, he carries the ball, run the ball, and robs the ball into the white line, into the police try line. But calling back the game with the flag raised by the touch judge of what he has caught in that tackle done to this police player that's still lying to the field of play. Yes, you see the linesman, that's yes, back to the referee, stepping back to his position, that's Tanaya, and off the field. That tackle, I think it's a high shotter. It's a high shotter from the rubber players onto the Police Sharks player. Marching off the field. Feeding the scrum there, not a penalty. Each their fullback, Felipe Sauturano, has been tackled by, and a good run by Lazaro Turangendrau, and a pass forward to the side of to the end of the field by and Lazaro Turangendrau taking the ball back into the midfield. And change of direction by Pelisoro to Rocco, and Rocco taking the ball there, and they surrounded by the Police Sharks player. A good hit, a good run by this Police Sharks player. Tikiko, it looks like Tikiko Oliviti, but he's down on the ground. Tikiko Oliviti is down on the ground. Yes. Leaving the field. Yes, it's Tikiko Oliviti. Back into the field is the captain, Apenisa Dhanasau, back into the field of play with Tikiko Oliviti coming out of the field of play. Pelisoro passing the ball down into the midfield. Metui Bolabola back inside to Sateki, number 11 for Police is Michael Ipita. Into the Police, into the Rabo 10 meter, and a kick down. There is and a fumble from Timothy Motokula to the far side of the field into the Rabo into the Rabo 10 meter. And I call by touch as a scrum feed to Police. And it's the hood has gone, and it's a halftime. A break, 40 minutes. First half has gone, and another 40 minutes left for this grand final. And we're going to the break now, and the points between these two teams. Rabo Rabo still leading by 12, with Police by 10. Leading Police by 2 points is the Rabo Rabo Rabbitohs. And we'll take a break, and we'll be back in the second 40 minutes. That will determine the winner of this year grand final for the premier grade of the Vodafone Cup. A new winner will be crowned this afternoon after this grand final. The battle is between the Police Sharks and the Rabo Rabo Rabbitohs. Back at Lawanga Park for the last 40 minutes for the grand final between the Police Sharks and the Rabo Rabo Rabbitohs. Kick it, a knock back and roll out into the side of the field. Going out is the winger for Rabo Rabo Rabbitohs, and a scrum feed to the Police Sharks. Scrum feed to the Police Sharks in the start of this second half. Metui Bola Bola feeding the scrum and coming into the side of the grandstand. Grandstand is the big number 4 for the Police Sharks, and that is Louis the Cow, and carry the ball back in field. There is their number 13 Thomas Nakulilebu, and cut back inside there into the Rabo Rabo Rabbitohs territory is their number 11 Lapita, and Rocco. The Nipi Damiaf was caught up into the by the Rabo Rabo, but the ball still going out wide to the Police Sharks, and look like Lazaro. It's look like Lazaro Turangan Rao. Yes, it's Lazaro Turangan Rao to the foul field, and cut back inside. There is their captain. The captain. It look like their captain who cuts back inside, and a meter away from the try line. Back to Rocco, and Rocco pulls the ball into the pressure to the Rabo Rabo Rabbitohs winger, and he knocks the ball forward. And a call by referee. Yes, it's a knock on call from referee, and will be feeding the scrum again is the Police Sharks team. Into the 10 meters away from the Rabo Rabo try line, near the grandstand side of the field, and scrum feed to the Police, and this is a good opportunity for the Police Sharks team to score their first points in the second half. Coming into the short side is the big number 13, big number 12. It's look like Apin Isabella, and Rocco the Nipi Damiaf going straight to the Rabo Rabo players. Peli Buniwanga back into the side of the field of the grandstand. Rocco wide across there to the number 11 there, It was Michael Peters, and a quick play, and Rock again, and Rocco going there. This is the man that I'm talking about. He is a danger man for the Police Sharks. Metui to Lazaro to Ranganrao, and a last tackle there called by referee John Wesley to the Police Sharks, and they're still going into first side, but regathered again from their last kick by Police, and another set of six from the Police, and they're still going into the Police territory, and going inside, trying hard. There is the number 13. Change of direction by Rocco to the far side of the field, to the centers. Louis the Cow bringing the ball back across to the field of plays. Yes, that's what Police needed. To give pressure to the Rubber Rabbitohs, and there they rewarded a penalty just 5 meters into the Rubber Rabbitohs try line. Shot at goal. They will go for 2 points, and a penalty given to the Police Sharks. They call for the shot of goal. Penalty to the Police Sharks. It will be an easy conversion for this penalty by the Police Sharks. Five meters away from the goal line, and 3 meters from the right side of the post of the Rubber Rabbitohs. A miss of conversion from big number 5, and Lazaro to Ranganrao. Going for the and what a beautiful run by Lazaro to Ranganrao, and Sateki Umu tussle with the big force there, Russell with Eddie Tamushan, and together it is Rocco back to Ranganrao. Yes, Police is on the attack. They're very sharp on the attack, and coming out there, and they lose the ball and still get the ball. And they give the ball with a cross to the Santos, and it's looked like a try. No, it's not a try. It's a knock-on ball by the Police Sharks team. Pressure by the rubber defender onto the rush up onto the Police Sharks attack, and yes, timeout by the referee, and another rubber player lying on the ground. For the Police Sharks, I think they should not change the direction of that attacking line when they come into the grandstand side, and then they take the ball back into the other side of the field, and that is where they fumble the ball with the line of defense rushing up. The bigger forwards from the Rubber Rabbitohs put pressure onto the Police captain, where he fumbled the ball, and that will relieve some pressure onto the shoulders of the Rubber Rabbitohs player. And the scrum given to the Rubber, called by referee John Wesley, feeding in the scrum. A A good run by the winger, by the rubber winger. Waisiki Ramatau burst through the defense of the Polish Sharks near the up to the 10-meter line. To the 10-meter line. Ramatau the winger. Yes, Rubber still maintain the attack. They're going out, being away from the throw line and John Sariri. That's give them some. And Eddie Tomuse taking the ball straight to the Polish Sharks territory, and it's a changeover. A changeover to the Polish Sharks. It was a last call from referee John Wesley, and a change of play to the Polish Sharks. Eddie Tomuse, Semisitora on back up behind Tomuse and Sariri. A penalty. Yes, it's a penalty. A penalty given to Miss Sambeto. No, to the Polish Sharks. A penalty given to the Polish Sharks team. It looks like Rocco, Van Nipi, Sambeto Leda, who play for Police. Raise the pressure to these. Yes, running the ball is the bigger. Police number 4. Police Sharks number 4. It was Louis the Cow. Onto the rubber territory, and it looked like a foul. A knock for loose of miscommunication from Atunesta Turangaviu and Boniwanga. That knocked the ball, and a penalty. Penalty given to the rubber Rabbitohs. Moitonga, Eddie Wate, Tomuse to Moitonga coming again to the short side, near the grandstand side. And Semisitora, the number 15 for Rabo, carry the ball into the Polish Sharks territory, up to the Polish 10-meter line, and Eddie Tomuse to Modena Motokula, and fumble the ball, knock the ball for the Isale Satumo, and recovered by Police, and Police up to the halfway, and Rocco in midfield there to the big number 4. Louis the Cow. A good run by Louis the Cow and Rocco. Lazaro Turanganrau with the tackle of Semisitora and Moitonga and Eddie Tomuse. A penalty awarded to the Polish Sharks with a foul play by Eddie Tomuse onto the Polish Sharks player, and this penalty is given in midfield. It's a 22-meter kick in goal. It will be an easy kick for this Polish Sharks kicker, the number 5. Well, the goalpost in front of him from where he kicks, and stepping back. Taking a deep breath. Step back and coming forward, and he lifts the ball Raises the flag. The two touchdowns is Pena and Peta. That will take both teams to 12-all. It's a lock-up points between these two giants from the team of Rabo Rabo and the Police Sharks from Suba. Atunay sa Turangai View. No, it's not Atunay sa Turangai View. The big number 4 is coming out, Louis the Cow. Louis the Cow is off the field, leading the field, and Felipe Sauturanga, the fullback, back into the field of play. And scrum given to Rabo Rabo with that kick off from Timothy Motokula. Timothy Motokula to feed in the scrum for Rabo Rabo Rabbitohs, for Rabo Rabo. Ready to deliver the ball is wraparound by Waisiki Ramatau. Waisiki Ramatau still go, and he's on the ground the far side of the field. Nice tackle by Rocco Sateki Sobau onto Sateki Umu. Chone Sariri straighten up to Lazaro, and a good tackle by Chone Sariri by Lazaro onto Sariri, and a miss up pass by Eddie Tumuse to the winger Sokuru, but he passed the ball back inside and going to the short side again by Ramatau the winger, back to Sobau, and a good defense from the police side, put him down to the ground. Eddie Tumuse ready to deliver from the base of rock. Ramala to Sobau, and a cross kick, a bad cross kick from but a nice kick by, nice catch by the winger, and he was tackled by two Police Sharks player, and the ball was knocked from the wingers and called by referee. It was a knock on by the winger. Knock on by the number 5 of Rabo Rabo. There is Penny Sokuru. A cross kick from Timothy Motokula. Didn't find touch, and he go back to the side, and a catch by the winger Sokuru, and was tackled by these two wingers and the centers of the Police Shark. Cause him to drop the ball forward, to knock the ball forward, and it's a referee call to the scrum down. That will be the Police Sharks feed. Police Sharks, Lazaro Turangan Rao break through the middle, and only one man to beat there is the fullback, but he's still going there. But a nice tackle there from the fullback and Chone Sariri, and fullback for the Rabo Rabo team, Ananayasa Madira, and carry the ball forward. Carry the ball forward. There is a big Police Shark substitute to Turangai View, and coming once again here on the side of the grandstand side. On the grandstand is number 13 Tomasi Napoli Lebu, and a penalty given again to the Police Sharks. Pushing to the ball carrier, ball carrier has given a penalty. And penalty has been awarded to the Police, and Police Sharks player running the ball. And a flop on him. There is Semisi Tora. And this is the number 6. This is the number 5, the big winger for Police Sharks, has been shoulder charged. Shoulder charged by the big rubber number 11, Lazaro. Saleh Satumo, the substitute player for Rubber Rabbitohs, put his shoulder onto the winger, the big number wing for Police Sharks. Not Penny Suguru, it was Rushin Nairumbe of Police Sharks has been given a penalty. Another kick of goal from the Police Sharks team, from the same player that kicked a penalty for Police Sharks, the big winger, Rushin Nairumbe. The same Rushin Nairumbe is the one who's been foul played by the Rubber Rabbitohs player. And that is the point where the penalty was awarded by referee, the former Bati, Chana Waisale. Stepping back is Nairumbe. Take a deep breath. Deep breath, ready to deliver the kick from a penalty given by ref. And yes, the flag is raised by the Buzzards, and first time Police taking the lead by 14 points to 12 with a penalty converted by the big winger, number 5, Rushin Nairumbe. Timothy Motokula ready for a restart into the halfway. Midfield restart by Timothy Motokula for Rubber Rabbitohs. Deep down into the Police. A nice catch by their captain Danusau. Straight into the Rubber Rabbitohs. Tackle by Chone of Rubber. Metui from the base of the scrum to Peters. A good gain from Peter to Epeli Buniwanga. Carry back by Semi Weningolo and Semi Sitora, bringing the back into the grandstand side. And a good regather by the Rubber. A change of attack from Police Sharks to Rubber. Carry for the Eastern number 3. The number 3 from Rubber. Semisitora carries the ball there, and getting up slowly is Semisitora, and he's still on his knees on the ground. Hand signal by referee Chona Wesley. I think Semisi will leave the field. Yes, he's coming off the field. He's leaving the field. Semis Tora and Waisiki Ramatau, the number 12. The starter for the Rubber Rabbitohs in the grand final will march back into the field. Semi Sipora leaving the field, and I can see the medics put the ice on his neck, back of his neck. Play from Eddie Tomuse to and a good decoy run there from Ramatau. Good run from Nisama. Eddie Tomuse, change of direction in midfield. Sobau taking the ball forward, and it's a last ball from the attacking side of Rubber Rabbitohs, and it's a changeover. Another police on the ground, and this is how physical this finally is, with two big teams and with the size of player they have, and the result will be, and the game will be very hard and very physical from these two teams. And at the moment in this second half, midway in this second half, Police taking the lead by 14 points to 12, and far side of the field, and dragged back there by the rubber defender is the Nipi dummy half. Nipi half back from the Police Sharks, and Lazaro Turangan Rao angle running from the rack area, from the side of the rack area, and quick play there from him to Bola and inside to Ulibiti. And Rocco chipped the ball, but no way there, and the ball was regathered by the and it looked like a big toss. Between it looked like Goliath and David when Josabau talking to this Nipi player Rocco. But the decision from the man himself, John Wesley, penalty has given, awarded to the Rubber Rabbitohs. It's 15 meters from the sideline of the grandstand. At a 30 meter from the goal post, a penalty given to the Rubber Rabbitohs team. Will try to convert it by Timothy Motokula. Timothy Motokula take his time. One step back, two, walking up, lift the ball, and he raises the flag, and the two teams tied up to 40-all. It's anybody's game between these two giants. Rubber Rabbitohs, the last year finalist, and the first team from Super the Police Sharks at Lawanga Park under the floodlight grand final of the Premier Grade. What a physical game we witnessed at Lawanga Park. A game between Rubber Rabbitohs, the last year finalist, and the Police Sharks. A good tackle on Joseph. by Lazaro Turanganrao and Uletiki Kaulibiti. Edito Muse from the side of the rack. The dummy half sneak the ball, and it looked like a high shot from the Polish number 13. And a penalty given to the 10-meter line, to the 10 meter into the own territory is Rabo Raptors with a high shot to Ramatau by the Polish Sharks number 13, Tomasi Nakolilevu. Tomasi Nakolilevu is the former Sombetto Roosters player, playing for Polish Sharks from last year, and Rocco, the nippy halves, who scored a winning drive in last year's grand final at Prince Charles Park. A miss of communication from Eddie Tomus and Waisiki Ramatau has given the penalty. Penalty is given to the Polish Sharks. Finding a touch is the big Polish number 5, Rushin Rumbe. A quick throw in by Polish, and Metui tap inside and Uliviti running back to the side of coming back to the side of the grandstand side. Pelisoro to Langipida, but a game tackle by the Rabo Rabbitohs. Metui bola. Gain it 30 meters run from Metui bola, and it looked like an overlap there. He should give the ball to a big mistake by Tomasi Nakolilevu. If he gives the ball wide to the number of Polish player out wide to the side of the other side of the field, if Kolilevu give the ball to Lazaro Turanganrao, I think Polish will, from my point of view, it will be a nice try by Polish if he delivered the ball to their backs on the far side of the field. But he knocks the ball forward, and the call of the referee, it's a scrum feeder to the Rabo Rabbitohs, and carry the ball forward is the Rabo winger Saukuru. Waisiki Ramatau, a good run and a good break by Waisiki Ramatau. It's a 15-meter break from Ramatau. Grab on the collar by Lazaro onto the Rabo players, and Moitonga up to the 10-meter line, and the big forwards there, John and Timothy Motokula, and the last ball there to the Rabo Rabbitohs, Timothy Motokula, Edito Muse. Nusama kicks the ball, and waiting there is the fullback of the Polish team is Felipe Sauturanga, and a good tackle there, good game tackle there from Rabo onto the Polish ball carrier, and back there is Polish Sharks. What a defense! What a game tackle from the Rabo Rabbitohs. Running the ball is the Polish Sharks captain, and he knocks the ball onto the ground, regathered by the Rabo team. Vanusau, the captain, knocks that ball onto the ground, and a change of play there. Sami Wainingolo straighten up to Kolilebu. A good tackle by Kolilebu. But switch of play there. Running the ball is Etuate. Etuate Nusivalu. Etuate Sonivalu of Rabo, the Rabo centers. And Sobau taking the ball forward, and he break to tackle from the police sides, and still holding the ball is Sobau. And another penalty. Same mistake committed by both sides. They still committed it into this second half. I already said the team that will maintain the discipline and keep the sets of 6. This team will crown a new champion of the Vodafone Cup 2018 at Lawanga Park. Still on the ground is Sosateki Sobau, the veteran for this Rabo team, and the former Fiji body player, former Fiji resident. I already mentioned there's a difference that will bring by the experienced player by both teams. That will give a bit of tips to both of them, and this is a crucial game to both teams because the team that will win this game will be crowned the new champion of the 2008 Vodafone Cup. Team Modena Motukula. Taking his time, stepping back. Going sideways. Take a deep breath, Timothy Motukula. Taking one step back and marching forward. And a kick. No, he missed it, and police sucks. A good run by this police winger, taking the police team away from the danger zone, from their in-goal area, from their throw line, and from Collie, the former Sambeto player, taking the ball, and another good run there from Ulibiti. Still going there is Rocco, put the ball into the air. Let the ball bounce there from their fullback. And a good tackle on him. On his back there from the police winger. Yes, the police put pressure onto the Rabbitohs. Timothy Motukula. Yes, Timothy Motukula breakthrough. Rabo defense, and Timothy Motukula is going up, he's going past the halfway, past the 10-meter line. What a break from Timothy Motukula from there. What a good run from Timothy Motukula, and Moitoa going straight onto the Polish Sharks defense. Eddie Tomuse to join the bigger proper of the Rabbitohs. Well, it looks like what a game, what a game, what a game. A Good set piece of play from the Rabo Rabbitohs. Put pressure onto the Polish Sharks team, into the own territory, into the throw line. And it was the last ball from the Rabo where the changeover is done by the referee John Wesley. That will relieve the pressure onto the shoulders of the Polish Sharks team. Rabo players still on the ground. It's look like Timothy Namotakula getting up slowly, walking back. Yes, he's running. He's on the field again. On his feet again. Timothy Namotakula. We are coming closer to the end. Lazaro to Rangan Rao. A good defense and they carried him back. Semi Wainingolo, Moitonga and Chona Sariri. A pass. Oh, it's a forward pass. It's a forward pass. It's a forward pass and a scrum feed. I can see Timothy with the medics put eyes on his back of his neck. This is an opportunity for Rabo. This will be now or never for Rabo. If they use this ball wisely and complete the set of 6. Timothy Namotakula organizes his backs, feeding in the scrum. For the Rabo team is number 16. Number 6. Sabinada Malala. Timothy Namotakula. Tungusi Balu wrap around there and going wide into the far side of the field. A good defense by Lazaro. To the sideline. Coming back inside there into the field of play is Rabo winger New Summer. Number 3 Etuate. Take the ball forward and Chona Sariri, a offload pass there from Josabo to Chona Sariri, and they still going to the left side of the field, to the right side of the field, and coming back there to Chona Sariri, and Sariri underneath the ball, just 5 meters under the post from Sariri. A good run from my experienced player, Chona Sariri, Timothy Namotakula, and Jim Namotakula. Yes, the fullback. Another set of 6 there from Rabo. Another set of 6 from Rabo. Josabau, Semi Wainingolo. They're using their big muscle man to run in the ruck area where they can. A switch of play from Eddie Tamuse to Moitonga, and Moitonga fumbled the ball forward, and it's going to the Polish sides. A attack to the Polish sides, and together from Soro, the Damiaf, and Rocco kicks the ball deep into the Rabo, and it going into touch. A kick by Rocco. Into the Rabo territory. A scrum feeder from Rabo with a nice move from Rocco, the nippy hooker from the Polish Sharks, who kicks the ball down in touch to the Rabo side. Taking the game, taking the pressure away from them to the Rabo 10-meter line. Scrum feeder by Mbalala to Timothy Namotokula. Timothy, a wide pass there to his winger Saukuru, but a tackle on him by Lazaro Turanganrau, and taking the ball there is the big centers for the Polish Sharks, but a good cover defense there from Chosovau. Going up there is Polish Sharks onto the Rabo territory. Rocco, a pass. Oh, it's a forward pass from Rocco. And a scrum given to Rabo. Scrum given to Rabo by referee Johnny Wesley. For knocking the ball forward. Less than a minute to go, but the two teams is tied up by 14 points all. Last set piece of play from the Rabo team, Joseph. And he knocks the ball again. This is a chance for the Polish Sharks team. I can say that this is now or never for the Polish side into the Rabo territory. Just 10 meters away from the Rabo try line. Feeding the scrum is the Polish Sharks team. This is now or never for the Polish Sharks team as they a bad pass from the base of the scrum and Rocco. This is the danger man that I'm talking about. Rocco still going there into the Rabo 10 middle line, 20 middle line. And the hood is gone. And we're back in the golden time. In the final order, the two teams are tied up with 14 to Rabo and 14 to Polish Sharks. 14 points all, and we'll go to the golden time. 5 minutes it's off. There will be a 5 minutes break before we go into a golden time. Each are in a very physical game by both teams, and what makes the difference of the grand final tonight is the presence of the former Mbati and former resident player from both sides, like Jonas Sariri, Josateki Sobau, Semisi Tora, for semi-winning goal for the Rabo Rabo side, and some Lasaro Turangan Rau, Atu Turangai Biu, Tiki Kaulibiti, Tomasi Nakulilebu. There are some names, and Sateki Umu, Apenisa Danasau. There are some names that I mentioned earlier that can bring some experience that will help them to win the game in the grand final at Lawanga Park this afternoon. We will be going into extra time now. Well, the start of the 5 minutes golden time or extra time from these two teams. What I can say that these two teams gives their all, and what they know that can help their team to win the grand final at Lawanga Park tonight. It will be a kickoff from the Rabo Rabo Rebetos. Ready to kick the ball is Timothy Namotakula, a kicker from Rabo Rabo. And there he goes, put the kick deep down into the Polish try line, and the captain Gangu. Now it's Tiki Kauliviti who runs the ball, and there goes Jonas Sariri on top of him. Eddie Tomuse on the markers there, and a second tackle there from the Rabo Rabo Rebetos. Sateki Umu, the big front row for the Polish Sharks. No markers for Polish Sharks. Metu Bola a change of direction there from infield there, right into the midway, into the halfway of the field, and Metu Bola still going there, straight onto the Rabo Rabo, but he knocks the ball, he loses the ball, and gathered by Timothy Namotakula. Metu is on the ground with that tackle from the Rabo Rabo player of Eduate Usivalu. A good break, a line break from Metui Bola up to the halfway, up to the 10 and to the 20 middle line by the behind tackle, by the back tackle from the Rabo Rabo players. First him to knock the ball forward, to fumble the ball forward, and a ball gathered by Timothy Namotakula. Give them a chance to go for the attack in the time of golden time. Still waiting for referee's call. We'll wait for for Police Sharks player to. Yes, a good run by the Nipi Rabo fullback. Nipi Rabo fullback. It was Ananayasa Modedama, and a second runner there is on top of him is Lasaro Turangan Rao on to Chone Sariri. Good run up to the halfway, to the side of the field, in the halfway mark. Semi Wainingolo, and a pass there, and Waisiki Ramatau onto the halfway, in midfield, halfway, and Timodina Motokula kicks the ball ahead of the Police Sharks player, and gathered there is the fullback, Police Sharks fullback Felipe Sauturanga. A good recover from Felipe Sauturanga. A good run by Asel Limbose, the wing. Look like Louis. Other snow. It look like other snow there. Good sets of defense from the Rabo side, and gather there, and they kick deep down into the Rabo territory, but good gathered by Rabo fullback Modegaba, and coming out there is Waisiki Ramatau. Slice through the middle, there is Waisiki Ramatau, and Moitonga break through the first defender, second defender, and still going there is, and there goes Lasaro Turangan Rao to tackle Moitonga into their 10 meter line. Chone Sariri, the big prop forward for Rabo, takes 3 players from the Police Sharks to bring him down. Timodina Motokula leaves the ball into the air, and together there is Rabo, and there goes Rabo winger Saukuru. Together another 6 sets of 6 from Rabo, and there goes Musibalo. Just a few meters forward from the play. Oh! It's a mistake from Eduarte. It's Eduarte Tomuse who passed the ball. Missed to pass. It misses pass from Eduarte Tomuse to his winger, who fumbled the ball, who knocks the ball forward in the throw line, in the wide line of the Police Sharks, and he knocks the ball forward, and a scrum feed to the Police Sharks team, and another Police Sharks is on the ground. It's a seesaw game from both teams. From left to right. It was Thomas Nakulilevu. Nakulilevu of Police Sharks, and another Rabo player is on the ground as well. New Sama, the winger for Rabo, who fumbled the ball in front of the wide line in the Police Sharks try line, and a scrum given to the Police Sharks will relieve a bit of pressure on them. It's Ananayasa Morikaba, the Rabo Rabbitohs fullback. He's back on his feet again, and feed on this scrum is Polly Sharks, and enough, says the referee. That's the end of the first 5 minutes golden time by both sides, with both teams yet to score. This is a last 5 minutes into the golden time, where both teams will determine who's gonna score the first point or who will score the try, will crown the champion of the Vodafone Cup 2018. A restart from the police side. Ready to kick is their kicker, the number 5. Number 5 for police is Rusi Nerumbe. Good play by others now, Asalim Bose. And a big kick down right into Semi Weningolo's hand, and Semi Weningolo straight into Lazaro. Tussle with Lazaro, and they gone to the ground with Lazaro on top of Semi Weningolo. A good tackle from Lazaro and a good run too from Semi Weningolo. And Lazaro made the second tackle there onto the Rabo player of Waisiki Ramatau, and Moitonga tried to slice through the mirror. They carry him up and drag him back. And it's a spearhead tackle called by the referee and given a penalty is the Rabo Rabbitohs. Lazaro Turangan Rao play a grand game for the Polish Sharks. He's a veteran and he's a former Mbati player who play a grand game, give it all to the Polish Sharks and put his body on the line in the line of defense and attack for the Sharks team. Timothy Motokula kicks the ball out of the line, and I tap inside the 5 meter near the grandstand. He said Eduwati Tomuse taps the ball, pass it wide to Timothy Motokula, and Jonas Sariri carry the ball for there is Jonas Sariri. And given another tackle, it's Joseph, the veteran. A delay play from Metui Bolabola has given another penalty to the Rabo Rabbitohs team. I can say that the boys from both teams is getting tired of being rustled and rumble inside, and Timothy Motokula never gained any meter from that penalty. Game has been stopped by referee because of the water by from the Rabo side. From the far side of the field, back into the field of play. Eddie Tomuse, former Nandara, former Sarudagan player, ready to tap the ball right into the halfway, 5 meters away from the far side of the field. Yes, Waisiki Ramatau runs the first ball for the Rabo. gaining 9 meters. Sone Sariri. Sone Sariri up into the 10-meter line. Chosateki Savau. Yes, a good line run from Chosateki Savau. And another pickup from Eddie Tomuse, and Eddie Tomuse going straight on to the Polyshax team. Chosateki Savau. And a penalty. What a clever mover from this nippy hooker. Etiwate Tomuse. A clever move from the base of the rack. Right down in front of the goalpost of the Polyshax. With the help of Chosateki Chosateki Savau, and finding penalty in front of the goalpost. It's a 8-meter kick. Easy kick. It will be. Easy kick for Timothy Namotakula. If it is, this will seal a victory for the Rabbitohs team. And the game been stopped because of the Rabbitohs supporters on my left side of the field of the grandstand, and Timothy Namotakula. Kick a man for the Rabbitohs. They put all their hope on Timothy Namotakula, who turned his head up into the sky, take a step backwards. Timothy Namotakula, yes. We'll wait for Timothy Namotakula for this penalty. One step back, move forward, stepping slowly, and he raised the flag. It's a 2 points leader from Rabbitohs. Still time. There's still time for the Polyshax. Ready for the restart by Polyshax. That's a bad kick from Rocco. And a kick from Rocco. And the final hood is gone in this golden time. And Rabbitohs crowned as a new champion of the 2018 Vodafone Cup, where they beat the Polyshax from Suva. Not an easy game for the Rabbitohs in this big final. And what I can say, when the hood is gone, that all the Rabbitohs players go down to the ground because they've been giving their all from last year, the last in the grand final. And this year they made it and crowded as the new champion of the Vodafone Cup grand final. And we can see the supporters, the kids and all the supporters from the Rabbitohs running in the field. Celebrate their players, the Warriors, who have bring the glory to the team of Rabbitohs. And heads off to this That's the police force team, Police Sharks, for the great effort they have given today. They had shown the rubber reporters this is not a walkover. This is a run for the money in this grand final where Rabo defeat this well organized and well prepared Police Sharks team. And we'll wait for the prize giving tonight by the official. And now we can see the Police Sharks team waiting for the Rabo and Soteki Sobau hugging the police team. This is rugby. When you come to the field of rugby, you give your all. And after rugby, it's all about love and care of brothers. For the presentation of the medal to the grand final player to the players of both teams, there is a reward given to all the referees that take part in this year competition from the Lotoka zone, Nandi zone, Ra zone, Nasinu and Suba zone, Nandrongan Nabosa zone. The medal of acknowledgement from the Fiji National Rugby League official to all the referees that are going through hard times and of controlling the game in this year competition. A special acknowledgement given to the referee has been given to the man himself, the one who just finished off the grand final, who ref the grand final this afternoon, Mr. Chone Wesley, the former Fiji body representative. But in the field, we can still see the boys from Rabo and the boys from the first team, the Police Sharks, still gather and they singing a hymn, giving back the glory to the Almighty for the good game they play today in this physical grand final. If given the man of the match from my point of view in the grandstand, I will give it to one of the veteran, the former Mbati player of one of them, Chosoteki Sobau, or Chones Riri. They give their line, they give their body, put their body into the line of attack and defense, and they deserve the win tonight. And to the two players, they bow their knee down. The word of prayer by both teams into the field of rugby. So that shows the sportsmanship of rugby league in our nations. They go for each other in the field of rugby, and off the field after the game, they knew that they are the son of the Fiji, of the rugby league in Fiji, and they are the family of rugby league, of the Fiji National Rugby League, and they are the representative of our beloved nation of Fiji. Still waiting for the prize giving, or the medal giving by the chief guest and the official of the Fiji Rugby League here in Fiji. And once again, a big vinakabakalebu to our major sponsor, the Vodafone, the major sponsor from the past years till now. They still sponsor this game of 13 men's, the rugby league here in Fiji. And say a big thank you to the Vodafone, and not forgetting the alley. Ali, the Living Edge, the sponsor of the major sponsors of the outfit of the Fiji Rugby League. Okay.
Yeah.
We can see the Polish Sharks team is leaving the field, marching out of the field. The best player of the grand final today, if not, it will be yes, he deserves it. He deserves the best player award in the grand final. He's the one who's been working overtime for this Polish Sharks team in his defense and as well in his attack. Lazaro Turangan Rao. Once he was a overseas New South Wales country overseas contract player, and a former Fiji body player, and a former Fiji resident player. Well deserved Lazaro Turangan Rao for the game this afternoon. And the grand final prize money to the runners-up is going to the Polish team with a check of $3,000. $3,000, a runners-up prize for the grand final in this year 2018. Felipe Sauturanga, the runners-up medal. This is one of the boys that play a grand game today from the fullback position. Asayeli. So who play centers, Asayeli play wing. The big centers for Police Sharks. Loy the cow and Russia the wing of the kicker for the Police Sharks. Meti Volabola, the former Fiji resident player who plays halves for these for this Police Sharks team, and another former resident player, Pelisoro, former resident and former Mbati player. Pelisoro play halfback. Sateki Mumu is one of the resident player. Joshua Rocco, the nippy dummy half. The nippy dummy half for Rabo. Walking up is the skipper, Apinisa Vanasau, the captain, receiving his runners-up medal from the official. The former Coastline Bruce player Michael Peters received his runners-up medal. Tomasi Nangulebu, team number 18 for Police Epele Buniwanga. Atunaisa Turangai View and Tikiko Oliviti receiving his runners-up medal. And the man of the match is the last man down to receive his runners-up medal is Lazaro Turangandrau, the former Mbati, former resident player, and as well as a former overseas player in the country of New South Wales in Australia. A medal given to the official too. This is the manager. The Police Sharks manager is walking up to receive the runners-up medal from the guests and the board member of the Fiji National Rugby League. One of the well-known Buniwanga, who is a former rugby union player for Tabua and Police. And the last man on the field to receive the awards for the management of the Police Sharks is a former development officer of Fiji National Rugby League and the coach of the winning Police Sharks in the Police Force World Cup, none other than it is Saleh Tumbuna. Ready to receive the medal is the new cup winner for the 13 men's side, 13 men's game, the Rugby League, the Vodafone Cup. 5,000 for the runners-up, and 6,000 plus a big trophy will go to the winner, to the cup winner, and crown as the new champion of rugby league in Fiji, none other than the Rabo Rabo Rabbitohs. Walking up is the veteran and the former resident, former Bati, and he's also a former Australia country, New South Wales country player, Sosa Tekisabo, and also he's a coach player for the Rabo Rabo Rabbitohs. Rabo Rabbitohs with the likes of Semi Sitora, the former Saru Dragon player, Semi Wainingolo, the former resident player, Etuwate Tomuse, former Nandera and Saru Dragon player, Chone Sariri, the former Sambeto, Poli Sharks, Fiji Bati, and a current Rabo Rabo Rabbitohs player. First one to receive his medal is the winger number 2 for Rabo Rabo. There is Isaac Nusama, and also receiving his medal is Etueta Musibalu, and Moitonga is up there receiving the winning medal. And Saukuru, the winger for Rabo Rabo Rabbitohs. Seven Adam Balala. The one who kicked the winning goal for the Rabo Rabo Rabbitohs, who kicked the last penalty that gave the Rabo Rabo a victory tonight, is Timothy Motakula, the halves for Rabo Rabo Rabbitohs. Chone walking up is Eddie Tamuse with his little angel, his daughter Kyla, receiving on behalf of her dad, to receive the medal. Sami Wainingolo, one of the former player of the Fiji resident. Chone Naibote was Sikir Ramatau, and Sosapati Sabau. One of the former Bati rep to the World Cup, Semi Sitora.
Why
Siki Ramatau is walking up into the dice of receiving his winning medal. Here's the big giant Johnny Sariri. Satumo. And that's the players winning medal and the winning manager. And the winning coach is Sitiveni Buniyayawa. Well done, Rabo Rabo. The last year runners-up stamped their mark this year, coming out as the new champion of the Vodafone Cup 2018. To all our viewers and listeners, thank you very much for being with us in today's grand final. Hope to see you next year in this Fiji National Rugby League competition.